Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok services not available in your country. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the issue that TikTok services is not available in your country, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just try to connect with a different, stable and strongest network connection. Then go to your settings app, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, just simply go back, go to language and region, select region and select your own region from here. After selecting a region, simply go back, go to date and time section, enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back and go to software update, just try to update your software. After updating software, go to App Store, go for search and simply search for TikTok. And you just have to try to update your app. So in case of updating, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, we have to go back and we have to open your browser and just search for down detector. Just search for this. There's down detector. Here just allow to use your location. And here you have to open the first website. Now in this section, just tap on the search option and just search for TikTok. And you just have to check if your TikTok is down and your country or region is not. So if you see that TikTok is still down, so you just have to try to wait for almost 24 hours, or sometimes it might be that TikTok is banned in your country or region. So you have to try to use any VPN to connect with a different country or region where TikTok is not available. So after that, your issue must have to be fixed. Or if you are facing the issue that TikTok is not down in your country or region, but you are still facing the same issue, so there's only way you just have to try to open your settings app, or you can also try to keep a long press on your TikTok app, then tap on remove app, then tap on delete. So after that, just delete app completely. It will completely uninstall app from your iPhone or from your Android phones. After uninstallation, you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, if there will be any bug or any malware with your TikTok app, it will be fixed in this step and not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.